Hi, welcome to Be Bear Book Club, a chance for adults and children to enjoy some stories together. Today's book, The Bear Snores On, shows you what happens in the bear's den while he's sleeping through the winter. There is a lot of fun in that space. You may want to talk about what you would do if you had a chance to be in the bear's den during the winter. Enjoy.
Welcome to Bears Read Along. We'll read some books and sing a song. Words and stories help us grow. New ideas that we should know. Reading books is so much fun. Our reading journey's just begun. Reading books is so much fun. Our reading journey's just begun. Welcome!
Hi friends, here we are at the Be Bear Book Club, where we can hear stories together. My name is Rachel, and I'm here with some of my friends to read a story today. Won't you stay and hear a story too? Okay, ready to tap? Be Bear Book Club has begun. We think books are lots of fun. Books tell stories, books tell news, information you can use. Books are fun for you and me. Be Bear Book Club, come and see. All right, let's see what we're going to read today. This is a book called Bear Snores On. What do you think this book is about?
A bear.
A bear, that's right. There's a great big bear sleeping here. Do you see another bear in the room? Not yet. Maybe we'll notice. On the inside, what does it look like the weather is?
Winter.
Winter, that's right, winter. And what do you see over here?
A bear.
A bear. You think there's a bear in there? Maybe there's a bear inside. Let's find out. This is the page of the book that tells us Karma Wilson wrote the words. The author of this story is Karma Wilson, and the illustrator is Jane Chapman. She drew the pictures. Here we go. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. There's the bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. That's right, you can say it along with me. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in a cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights sweet twigs with a small hot spark. If you know what this page says, you can read it along too. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. That's right. Love it when you read along with me. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Who's there? Mouse cries, and a hare hops in. Ho, Mouse, says Hare, long time no see. So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. I wonder what this page says. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. That's right. A badger scuttles by. What'd you say?
I said a badger.
Yeah, a badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up. cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. That's right, there he is, sleeping. There they are, eating up. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. There they are. What are they doing all together?
Isn't there a bear cold?
Is there a bear cold? Yeah, there's the bear. Well, here's the cold. And the bear is sleeping. Should we turn the page and see it? Yes, Lucas.
Does anybody see one of the birds on top of Crow?
Yeah. Do you know which bird that is?
Wren.
That's the wren. You got it. That's the wren is on top of the raven. And that's a mole. The mole that came up through the floor.
Mouse.
And a mouse. That's right.
That.
And this is the hare and the badger.
What about that?
That's the gopher. And they're all together. They're having popcorn and tea. Ooh, this page looks cold. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores
There's baby bears.
on. There's bears over here.
Baby bear.
Baby bear? Maybe there's a baby bear?
Yeah.
In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Party. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes.
What?
What do you think? Let's find out. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls, and he snarls, and bear roars, and he rumbles. Bear jumps, and he stomps. Bear growls, and he grumbles. Uh-oh, how's that bear feeling?
Happy?
Maybe happy. Let's find out. How do you think he's feeling?
Mad.
Mad.
He's scared of happy.
Yeah.
Baby bear saying, baby bear can make more. Baby bear feel happy of this guy.
Yeah, he's going to be happy. You've snuck in my lair, and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping. I've had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. How's he feeling?
Sad.
So sad. He was missing the party.
There was a mouse that got.
Yeah. And he says, Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." I think the mouse is trying to make him feel better. Let's see if it works. Bear gulps, bear gobbles.
They're having a party.
You're having a party, and he sighs with delight. He what?
He sighs with glee, actually.
With glee. Yeah, he does sigh with glee. He's happy. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. I wonder how this bear is feeling with all of his friends there with him.
Happy.
Happy? Yeah. Are you happy when all your friends are around too?
Now time for break.
Now it's time for break.
But I love Anastasia.
You love Anastasia? She's a good friend.
The bear feels right.
You think the bear feels frightened?
Yeah.
He was being a little frightening when he first woke up, right? He said achoo. And then on this page, listen to all these words. These two words rhyme. He gnarls and he snarls. And then these two words start with the same sound. He roars and he rumbles. And then he jumps and stomps and growls and grumbles. So he was being a little frightening when he first woke up. That's right. All right, friends, our book is all done. And we can tap and clap together. Be Bear Book Club is all done. Thanks for coming. We've had fun. Books have stories, big and small. Listen while we tell them all. Come again another day. Listen, you may love them all. I can't read it. Wow, what a story. I wonder if you can think of any other animals that hibernate through the days and nights of winter. Thanks for coming to the Be Bear Book Club.